In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell on Dexscreener. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Dexscreener website, and from there, we can look for this section on the left-hand side with all these different options. Now, down in this lower part, we can find a whole bunch of different chains, and at the top, we can actually see this option that says Moonshot. So we want to go ahead and click on that, and that will then take us to the Dexscreener Moonshot page. Now, in order to buy and sell these coins, we must first connect our wallet. So we can do that by going to the top right corner and clicking connect, and we can then choose to connect our Phantom wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you can then choose a coin which you're trying to buy from this list. So let's just say we wanted to buy this coin here. We could go to the right hand side, and we can then choose how much Solana worth we want to buy. So at the moment, I'll be buying 0.1 Solana worth. You can also change the slippage, so currently mine's set to 15. I'm just going to set this to 8, and I'm going to go ahead and click buy. The transaction is now processing, and in a few seconds it will go through. As you can see, the transaction has now been confirmed, and if we now switch it to the sell interface, we'll be able to click 100%, and we can see that we can swap all of our tokens and receive a minimum of 0.092. So if we did want to sell, we could do that the same as when we just bought, so we could just click sell instead of buy, and we can go ahead and confirm that in our wallet. And as you can see, the transaction has now been confirmed, and I've now got 0 tokens left. So that's how you can buy and sell on Dexscreener. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.